Hi dear friend, welcome back to my channel Tech Bidda. Today in this video I'm gonna show you how to solve you need the official WhatsApp to use this account problem in WhatsApp. Lots of users complain that they're facing this type of problem and also they cannot use their WhatsApp application. This problem can be happen for unauthorized WhatsApp application. So to fix this type of problem, keep watching this video till the end. I hope this will be fix your problem. So let's move to the first method. First of all, open Play Store and then click on account icon. After that you will see here Play Protect. Click on it. Then here click on settings icon. After that you will see here two options. You have to just disable this option. So click on this first option and then click on turn off. That's it. Now this option is disabled. Now check your WhatsApp application. If it's not working for you, then let me show you another method. In this method, first of all, go to your phone settings and here find out apps option and click on it. Then go to the manage apps. Then here search for WhatsApp and go to this app info. Then here you need to click on storage. After that click on clear data. Then click on clear cache. Tap on OK. And if you see here force stop option, then you have to click on it and stop this force stop. Okay. Then check your WhatsApp application. If this method not fix your problem, then go to the Play Store and uninstall this WhatsApp and again install this application. I hope this method will be fix your problem. If this method also not fix your problem, then let me show you the final method. First of all, open Chrome browser and search here WhatsApp contact. Then go to this official website and scroll down. Here you can see there is a option type for number. So here first of all we need to choose our country. Here click on country code and choose your country name. After that type here your number. And then here you can see there is an option for typing Gmail address. So you have to type here your Gmail address. After that here select WhatsApp device. If your device is Android, then you can select here Android. Then describe your all problem here. You can describe like this. Hi team, I recently received a message stating that I need the official WhatsApp to use my account. However, I am using the official version of WhatsApp. Can you please guide me with this issue and guide me on how to resolve it? Thank you. After typing this message, then send it. If you follow my all steps, I hope any of this method will be fix your problem. So friend, if you think this video is helpful for you, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. And also if you have any queries, let me know in the comment. I will try my best to help you. Thanks for watching this video.